In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your YouTube channel to your LinkedIn profile. Having your YouTube channel linked directly to your LinkedIn profile can be a great way to showcase your content and skills to potential employers, clients, or networking peers. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, we'll start by heading over to LinkedIn. Open your preferred web browser and go to the LinkedIn homepage. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to click on the Sign In button. Use your credentials to log into your account. Once you're signed in, you should find yourself right on the LinkedIn homepage where all the action happens. From here, you'll want to navigate to your profile. Look for the option labeled Profile in the top menu and give it a click. Once that menu expands, select View Profile. This link takes you to your very own LinkedIn profile page where you can see everything from your latest updates to your listed skills and past job experiences. Next, let's focus on your contact information. Direct your attention to the Contact Info section and click on it. This section of your profile is crucial because it's where you can provide additional ways for people to get in touch with you or find more about your professional endeavors. After clicking on Contact Info, a dialog box will pop up, giving you the option to edit various contact details. Now we're getting to the good stuff. You'll see an option to Edit Contact Info. Click this button to enter the editing mode for your contact details. Look for the website section here. It's your key to linking your YouTube channel. Once you're in the edit window for websites, you might see multiple lines where links to different sites can be added. Look for the option to add a new website or one labeled Website with a pencil icon next to it. Click this to open up the field where you can enter your YouTube channel's URL. Open another tab in your browser and navigate to your YouTube channel. Copy the URL from the address bar. It's that long string of letters and numbers after youtube.com/channel/. Return to the LinkedIn page and paste it into the website field. Before you wrap up, double-check to make sure the link is correct and complete. A simple mistake in the URL could lead people to the wrong destination or to a broken link, which isn't very professional. When you're confident everything looks good, go ahead and save your changes. Congratulations! You have successfully linked your YouTube channel to your LinkedIn profile. Now, when people visit your LinkedIn page, they'll have direct access to all the fantastic content you've created on YouTube. This not only highlights your creativity and expertise, but can also serve as an excellent conversation starter in professional situations.